Morning, Abhishek. Good morning, sir. So, Abhishek, next half an hour plus we talk more about you and cover area like education, your family, your spare time, interest, etc. in detail. You've got a clear idea now. Not clear, but some idea about you going through this PIQ. Now you speak freely.
Yes.
Then you can see. Let's start with the education first. Suppose you tell me about your education. I am inclined to know about the percentage of marks in various examinations from 10 onwards, subjects that you chose after class 10 for further studies, and also about your future career options. Talk about your participation in extracurricular activity and games, achievements in the fields that you had if you have. I'd like to know about the teacher whom you like, those who impress you, your friend circle that you move with at school and college, the close friends out of them, who are they, their names. What makes you consider them as your best friends? And difficulty in financing education if you faced any and things like that.
So, sir, I have done my class 10 and 12th both from DSY Shikshan Sansthan. I scored 89% in my class 10 and 68.8% in class 12. I choose PCM for my further studies, and I have done my graduation from Satyadev Degree College, and I have got 75.2% in my graduation. And talking about my academic achievements, I got first rank in my class 10, and I participated in quiz in my class 12, and I got first rank over there also. I have also participated in science exhibition in our college, and I got first prize there. I had made a project on science project, that is levitation of train. And talking about my extracurricular activities, I have been CR of my class for consecutive 8 years. Yes, sir. And I have also organized so many events in the school, such as the Independence Day ceremonies, and I have also taken part in Independence Day ceremonies so many times, like singing and dramas. I have also organized farewell of seniors in my college. And talking about sports, I have been playing cricket, badminton, and volleyball. I have been professionally playing volleyball for 2 years in my college. I have also got first prize in our college competition. And sir, I have never faced such financial conditions with my studies, because my father and family has always sponsored that. Talking about the teachers that I like, the first one is Raj Prajapati sir. He was our science teacher in class 10, and he was the one I admired the most, because he was very fluent in English and the vast knowledge he has. And he also helped me with life problems I faced. In my college, I admired Sachidanand sir. He was the teacher of maths, and he was the one who got me do better in maths, because I was very weak. That's why I couldn't clear NDA 3 times earlier. So he was the one who made me better in maths. I got A plus in maths practicals. And an online teacher I admire is Danish Zafar sir from PW. He's a great teacher, sir, of English, and he has made my English better. Though I'm not good at communication, but my grammar is far better from those backgrounds I come from. And so talking about the friends, I have a very large circle of friends, but there are 3 friends I admire most, and those are kind of best friends to me. One is Himanshu, Vishal, and Ashita Gupta. Himanshu is currently sir in UP Police. Vishal is serving in Agniveer Army, and Ashita is in VHU. She is also preparing for defense examinations like NDA CDS, but she is also doing her graduation in BCom.
NDA CDS?
Yes, sir. She has done. She has qualified NDA, but she got screened out once. Now she is preparing for CDS. Talking about, sir, my future plans. The first future plan is, of course, defense forces. It's my first attempt, so I think I shall clear it in the further attempts. But I am confident I will do it in the first chance also. If not, somehow I shall be going for CGL, CPU, and CAPF as well.
You did graduation in which year?
I did my graduation in 2024.
At what age?
18 years, sir.
How is it possible?
Sir, my parents put me earlier in school, that's why it has been so.
But it is legally possible.
Yes, sir, it is. If it was not possible, I must have been objected by the authorities. I have also done my 10th in 13 years. That was not objected by CBSE as well.
It was a CBSE school.
Yes, sir.
Any advantage of doing such an early?
Yes, sir, I could say there is an advantage because I will be graduated at early age, and I will also have some more attempts for giving those government
Now,
examinations.
since it was last year you graduated, have you given these exams, CGL, CPO, CAP?
Sir, I was not eligible for that because
Age-wise?
Yes, sir, age-wise. It was my first attempt for CDS and I cleared it.
And you qualified for OT or IME?
Both, sir.
What happened to you in 12th?
Sir, it was a period of lockdown and I did better in class 10, but when it was put lockdown, there was less connectivity of internet in our area, and I'm responsible for that because I couldn't focus and adapt myself with the offline to online shifts. And looking back, I think I could have used my resources better and managed my time in better way.
You are in a city or in a village?
I'm in a village, sir.
Lakhimpur is what?
Lakshmipur, it is a small village.
Lakhimpur.
Yes, sir. It is a small village that is
You lived your life in village?
completely, sir.
Now also?
Yes, sir. I still in.
How did you learn this English speaking?
Sir, I have not done any particular courses for it, but I have prepared it, and I already mentioned Danish Devar sir, who has helped me with.
That one must be grammar, no?
Sir, putting grammar makes me better and confident to speak.
Everybody in your village speaks like this?
No, sir. The literacy rate is very low. It is about 63% in my village.
People are not studying?
Sir, people are doing, this generation is doing, but the
Okay.
was not so.
And this college, Satyadev College, it is in Gazipur.
It is, sir, 3 kilometers from my village.
In Gazipur?
No, sir.
Hmm.
It is in Gandhipuram. 3
Under
kilometers.
Gazipur?
Yes, sir. But not in city, it is also in village only.
Was it a good college?
Not that good, but it was good for me, sir.
What do you mean on that?
So, like, if you want to pursue very professionally or you want to get placed, you can't do that.
Was there a regular class system or not?
Yes, sir, it was.
Every day?
Every day.
You have attended college regularly?
Yes, sir.
Practicals?
Practicals I have also done, sir. I have got.
There were lecturers, professors?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No sports for you? You mentioned something but you're not talking. What school level?
Sir,
Sports?
I have played cricket and badminton on school level, and I have played volleyball.
What does it mean? Acha, during sports day?
Yes, sir.
And this volleyball college competition was with whom?
Sir, it was
Intra-college?
Intra-college, yes, sir. There was no very scope of outgoings in our college. That is why.
Your father is in the same college. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, lack of resources.
I may call it, sir, but I am responsible for it because from class 4 only, I was very inclined towards the defense forces only. Because when I was in class 4, there was a person named Mayank Shekhar, a person from here to my village. He had cleared NDA, and at that time, it was not just a proud for his family, but for the entire region. And the honor he carried then, it inspired me a lot during my childhood, and I was also inclined for defense forces only. That is why I didn't opt to very professional in academics. I've always been inclined for the armed forces only, and I'm very keen to.
Many people
join
from
it.
there go to Delhi, Banaras. You said somebody is in PHU. Who is that?
Sir, she is Anshita Gupta.
Like she went to PHU.
Sir, she is from Madhya Pradesh.
No, I am asking about you. So why didn't you think of going to PHU for graduation?
Sir, I already told you I have been always inclined for the armed forces only. So that is why I didn't choose to go for graduation somewhere. It was financial problem also, sir.
Hmm. So this Himanshu is your classmate
Yes, sir. He has been a
Vishal?
classmate. Both are my classmates from class 11.
and the girl?
Sir, she has been in my online batch
Which?
for NDA.
Oh, it's that older friendship?
Yes, sir.
How are your friends? One of them became an Agniveer, another became a police constable. You never thought of doing this?
Sir, very firstly, I was not eligible for these examinations age-wise, but I didn't wish to go for Agniveer. I was always inclined for officer center because I had always been inspired through that honor the man Sheikh had carried out in the village and the entire region.
What do they talk of you as a person?
Sir, as a person, they think I am courageous, generous, and sometimes extravagant. That is what I think about myself.
Where is the scope of extravagance? There is hardly any money.
Sir, whatever I have, I spend it sometimes on clothes, unnecessary items.
Generous, courageous.
Yes, sir.
Why they are calling you courageous?
So because there have been multiple events, like once we went to bath in Ganga River, and there was a child that was being drowned. That was not too far in, but like on the shore only, about 10-15 meters deep. I went and saved him.
You are a good swimmer?
Yes, sir.
How did you learn swimming?
Sir, there is a pond in my village. In the rainy days, we used to swim in that village and that pond, and I've learned from that also.
Swimming in pond is different.
Sir, but
Swimming in Ganga is different.
though with time we become good at it, sir.
Ganga, how far it is?
Sir, it is in the city region, 10 kilometers. My friends are from the city only.
So you went for swimming in Ganga.
Yes, sir.
How was the experience?
Good, sir. It's a
And
pretty
a lot of
difficult
current
of
is
pond. Yes, sir, it is.
Can you swim in current?
Yes, I can.
How?
Sir, I've been swimming for last 5 years.
No, but current will push you. Suppose you have to go from A to B. It will not let you go from A to B.
Sir,
And take you to C.
Sir, I would like to shift my initial point. Like if the current is in eastwards, I will start from most west side,
Okay.
so that it can force me to the east point where I want
You
to
make
be.
a triangle.
Yes, sir.
What is the triangle called as?
Pythagoras?
Use that?
Yes, sir, we use that one.
How do you use that? Mentally?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what else would they talk about you in case they want to change anything in you?
Sir, changing anything, I don't think there is such a possibility, but
Any advice?
most probably they advise me to be less extravagant also.
Okay, beyond that?
Beyond that, sir, I don't think anything is such. They have advised me multiple times about extravagancy only.
They should, actually they are working, they should spend.
Yes, sir, they should, but I also do, but that's why.
What advice you give to yourself?
Sir, I would, for myself, I think I should work on my sleep cycle. And,
What is wrong with it?
sir, I sleep late at night.
How late?
About 1. Like in my village, people usually sleep by 9 or 10, and I keep awake at.
What do you do in then?
Sir,
Dark hours.
Sir, I usually study or watch some movies.
I thought you roam in the village.
No, sir. Sorry, please.
Which movies?
Some South movies and
South movies?
yes, and also some crime movies I love to watch.
Crime movies.
Yes, crime thrillers.
You are a criminal?
Of course not, sir.
Criminal minded?
No, sir. I like to see how people solve those cases.
You are intrigued by that?
What, sir?
You are intrigued by how cases are
Yes,
solved?
sir, exactly. I want to see the approach to build a mindset.
But it is all made up approach.
Still, sir, it gives a fair idea.
Which is the
and
best
entertainment.
suspense thriller you watch?
Sir, the best suspense thriller I watched was Courageous. There is a movie, sir.
It's a movie or series?
It's a movie, sir.
Courageous.
Yes, sir.
Who is the actor?
Sir, someone from Hollywood. I don't exactly remember the name of the hero.
You like the movie, but you don't know the name of the hero.
Sir, I watched that just for entertainment. Not so much indulged into that.
And what else do you do in the dark hours of the night?
Nothing else, sir. Study or watch movies. Or maybe sometimes I used to teach my younger sister.
You have so many sisters.
No, sir, there are two. One is elder to me and one is younger.
You mentioned 3.
No, sir, that's.
Acha, that is the error.
Yes.
Talk about your family then. What your parents, other members, education, occupation. How do you spend time with them in what activities? Still an activity at home where you get interested, called. Who do you approach for help, confide things if needed? I know about the activities you do with the friends in the neighborhood, though everyone is in the neighborhood. 3,000 rupees you are earning for tuitions.
Yes.
How do you spend it and things like that?
So I do spend that on filling some forms and also some of on my class and daily use basis.
Do you get online clothes there?
Yes.
In village delivery system is there?
Yes, the delivery system is there. So talking about my family, it's a 6 members family. Me, my father, mother, 2 of my sisters. One is my buddy mummy and one is my grandfather. So my father is currently clerk in a private
Buddy
college.
mummy means your uncle is no more.
Yes, he is no more.
So children also.
She has one daughter. She has been married. My uncle was in army, and he got death due to some disease, pneumonia. Talking about my parents, son, my father is a clerk in a private college. My mother is homemaker, and my grandfather is a retired army official. He was a civilian in army, and my buddy mummy is also a housemaker only. My younger sister is pursuing her class 10. She is aiming for UPSC. She has got 95% in her class 10. And talking about my elder sister, she is currently pursuing a B.Ed and she is aiming to get government teacher.
She is married?
She is not married yet, so she is 3 or 4 years, 3 years elder to me. And so, most probably I admire my father so much because he is so hardworking and he is the only person who guided me so much for all this, and he is the one who sponsored. And spending time, we usually spend time at the evening and night when my father returns from college. At tea, we all get together and.
Is there a girlfriend culture in the village?
No, sir, there is not such anything.
Why?
Sir, due to those traditional thoughts, it is not so
In
appreciated.
college also?
In
College your father was there, so another problem.
It is, but I was not so inclined towards girls.
What were you playing towards? Boys?
No, I was not. Sir, I already had a best friend. She was Ashita, so I didn't feel so much.
Online connection.
Yes, sir.
You like her that way?
Yes, sir, I do.
Feelings are mutual.
Yes, sir.
What is her advice to you?
So her advice to me is to be more responsible towards.
You're not responsible.
I am, but she wants me to be more responsible and to give some more hours to studies. Because I
Rather
was
not
not
watching
able.
South Indian movies?
Yes, sir, and because
How can you waste your time so much?
I don't waste so much, sir.
I have so many exams to prepare and you're watching South Indian movies.
Sir, that is just for entertainment. I can't study the whole day. I do study from 8 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon.
Then,
And then I spend some time with my family. I go for a walk or play something
oh,
with friends, sir.
where?
Around the market. There is nothing such to walk in our village. So we go roam around the market.
Where is the market?
Approx 1 kilometer to 800 meters from my home. So we go there, buy some vegetables, we ask our family, and then talking we come. Talking about, sir, I have a friend in my village. He is named Prayag. He is currently aiming for IIT JAM. He has cleared it also. Yes.
Jan.
Yes, sir.
He did BSc.
Yes, sir. He also did this.
He didn't go for IT Jan.
No, sir. I wanted to be in armed forces only from child. That is why. I was not so inclined for my academics. He is very generous.
What does
and
your
supportive.
parents think of you? What would they like to change in you?
Sir, they think I am responsible. They have seen me studying hard for India and CDS, so they think I am hardworking also. Talking about some improvements, my father wants me to improve my sleep cycle, whereas my mother wants me to eat a bit healthier and more. It's just her love for me.
What were your hobbies?
Talking about my hobbies, sir, I love sketching, landscapes and all, and I also love solving Sudokus that my father has taught me doing in Amar Vijaya newspaper.
Hindi.
Yes, sir. That is only available at our village. There is no English newspaper that comes to our village. And I also work out. I love working
Where?
out. There is a small gym at our village.
There is gym in village.
At the market area, sir.
Paid.
Yes, sir.
How much fees?
300 per month.
That's very cheap.
Yes, sir.
And
working out. That's it. And my interest is carrying some mobile photography, and I also am inclined towards singing and music.
so any song which you would like to sing?
So whatever you ask, I can
Whatever
sing.
you
But
want.
I need to sing right now, sir. Yes, sir.
If you're comfortable.
I am, sir. अभी अभी उठा हूँ मैं तुम्हारा ख्वाब देख कर, अभी अभी तो आए हो बहार बन के छाए हो, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना जाओ.
This is the old song.
Yes, sir.
But you've added new lines in it.
Yes, sir. I was not so. I could not recall it. But I like this. This was the one that struck my
This
mind.
is picturized in Devanand and
Pardon?
Sadhana.
No, sir. It's not.
I'm sure it is.
I listen a lot variety of
Yeah.
songs.
That's very nice. Your lovely voice.
This was the one that struck me right now.
What do you think is Bemsteck?
I'm not so aware of it.
What is G7?
So G7 is a group of countries that has been formed in 2008, I guess, to
What?
so to counter that financial crisis in 2000. I think, sir, it was formed earlier, but it was then expanded to counter that financial area of crisis of 2008.
Okay.
India is also part of it now.
Part of G7?
G20, sir. It has been expanded to G21, I guess. And recently-
G21 now?
Yes, sir.
I thought it was G20. They added one more member, na, African.
The African.
Is it relevant?
Yes, sir, it is.
Any other issue which you want to discuss?
No as such issue, sir.
Geopolitical angle.
Sir, we can discuss about South China dispute.
There is no dispute inside China.
South China Sea.
There is no dispute.
Sir, there is such.
China says it's all mine when there is no dispute.
Sir,
That's how it is.
Sir, claiming by China doesn't mean it's all his.
It is. It is. We started building installations.
Sir, but
If
India-
somebody comes, it throws them out.
Sir, but India is also mining in South China Sea.
Is it?
Yes, sir. India
Where?
has collaborated with Indonesia and they
So
are.
it is not letting them do now.
Sir, they are doing.
In the Indonesian side.
Yes, sir.
In that area, nobody can do. So you mean to, does it mean the United Nations has no power left in it? People are doing whatever they want.
I don't have such opinion in that. Sir.
I'm just guessing. Anyone is attacking anyone you see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all. Good interview. थोड़ा सा
Master.
है थोड़ा सा डिस्पोजिशन बंद